Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode 441. Pre-Christmas technical analysis for crypto. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We're willing to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news, make sure to subscribe. You hit the like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us, once the stream is done, join us on the Discord. Links in the description, guys. So there's a link to our Twitter. Hey Andrew, how's it going, bro? Thank you for being here. Hey, round two. Yes, bro, round two, man. Coming in for seconds, right? XRP still managed to pump a little bit, about a 10% pump. Right now, it's not doing most of it. We're gonna talk about that in a couple minutes. Let's get this show on the road, man. I mean, the reason I went on earlier was because crypto was kind of moving down. We're getting like a flash crash, you know. I wanted to come in, make sure, see like how things were going, make sure like see if I was gonna pick up a little bit more views throughout the day. You know, it was a quick stream tonight. We're going back for regulars, right? Today's regular stream. I have a lot of papers in front of me. We'll go with this one for tonight's writings of requests. So, dude, good TikTok, by the way, man. I liked it. It was fun. What happened to our pact, man? To never sell XRP, no matter what it did. You broke it, so I had to break it also. I had to sell. Kidding, man. Anyways, yo, what's happening with market cap? Still, yesterday we managed to close below the area that I told you guys we wanted to pull back above 624.75. So, you know, we are now flowing with within this area. Previous all 100%, right? All-time high, previous, right here. Or previous high, not all-time high, previous high. At 592.61 billion. And, you know, we're still below that 624.75 billion. So yesterday we lost 5%, 5.35, approximately $34.79 billion. Right now, moving down still, $9.96 billion. It's pretty depressing. You know, you gotta roll with the punches, bro. It happens. Happens to me too. You know, there's streams like there's been streams when there's no one, dude. And you just gotta keep on pushing through, man. That's the whole thing about going live. It's consistency, and you know, that's it, bro. You know, you gotta like have something fun, you know, engaging, and you got quality content. People will come. I mean, it's taken a while for this channel to take off, dude. I've been doing this for about a year and 4 months now, and I'm still below the 500 subs, dude, right? So, you know, it's gonna take a while, man. It is like that. You have a lot more followers on Twitch. They're liking more your static videos than your live videos. You should check that out, because you don't know where you should like check out your analytics so you can see what your demographic is and understand what time frames they're coming from. Because if they're coming from different time frames, different time zones, sorry, you're not gonna get them live while you're live. So, like, if you're getting views from people in Australia, you're not gonna get them live at 5 in the morning. You're gonna get them live probably a little bit later. So you gotta like check out where your demographics are coming from. Not sure how I do it with like 2 people. Well, no, sometimes it's 5. You know, at first it was like 1 and then 0. Most of the times, your viewers are like 80% male. That's fine, bro. Yeah, it's taking a while, dude. Most of the time, it used to be like, you know, like there were streams where I was just like talking to myself, you know, but you just gotta do it, man. You gotta push through, and then like, you know, you start getting the regulars that come in, like you, Steve, Jake, Soka, who's almost always here. Then we get Above Mo, you know, Nav, who sometimes comes in. Timofey started to come in a couple days ago. You know, we started getting the regulars in, and then the channel just starts growing, right? Like once people see that there's people and that there's chat moving, you start to get a lot more people to like stay, right, and stick around because they know it's fun and they know that there's other people watching. So it just takes time. Anyway, so let's go check out market cap. Still moving down, like I said, trying to bounce. I'm not confident of what today is gonna bring, dude. I was really hoping to see Bitcoin around 23,000 for tomorrow. Right now, starting to move down. Not liking that a lot, but again, we're getting some pullback. We've been going up a lot. We knew we were gonna get pulled back a little bit, so we're gonna talk about that once we get to Bitcoin. What's happening right now, right? So we're moving down on market cap, neutral at 55.89. Are we still, you know, we're still in the bullish trend. Look at this. Look, we're gonna pull back, but if you look at the trend and you were to draw a line here on the bottom, right, just like that, or not even that line, but maybe this line here. Right, look at that. Support, 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 you know, and we're far from that support right now. So, like, if this were to be a trend line that I was placing here for the uptrend, we're still on an uptrend, right? We have lots of room. Yes, Steve, how's it going, bro? Thank you for being here. So I'm not, like, really worried yet. There's room. We're still good, you know. We're still in a bull trend, like I said. So, you know, it's like all bull trends have pullbacks. Like, all bull trends have dips. So there's always moves down, right? Look at this one that we had here, right? Look at this move down. We pull back up. Here we move down again, pull back up. We're moving down. We might as well pull back up. We're consolidating. That's fine. Jake, how's it going, dude? Congrats on getting out of XRP. Yeah, dude, I got out of it. I'm still in a good place, though. So I'm happy with that. I should have gotten out 2 days ago with my gut, and then yesterday with the news, but I still held a little bit. I still managed to get out okay. I could have fared a lot better if I would have gotten out a couple days ago, but you know, it is what it is. XRP is still moving down, by the way. Well, it bounced a little bit, but it's still pulling back down. So let's go check out Bitcoin, man. We already did this earlier. There's not a lot of movement. Bitcoin at 69.91 on dominance. It is pushing back below that 70.03. Now we really want to see Bitcoin start losing dominance. If we want else to thrive, we need to see Bitcoin lose dominance. Otherwise, we're gonna start seeing crash in the market. Jake, you should have gotten out when the dip. What DVT was 5 and bought the dip. Yeah, dude. Anyways, but you're hodling for long term, so you're not gonna get out, man. You know, Bitcoin futures at 23,110. We're gonna see how this keeps on playing out for Bitcoin again. We're still below the futures levels. We're sitting at 22,804. For some reason, this chart's still way off. Look at the gap we have, and we know we don't get gaps in crypto. It's weird. Like here we have a gap also on this chart. Sorry, that's the futures. We have a gap. We don't have a gap on this chart, right? But on the Gemini chart, we do have a gap. So we're gonna have to deal with that for now. It's our main chart. It's where we have most everything here. So, anyways, we have this bearish divergence, action to downside. It's starting to move down again within this area, right? 23,203 to 22,586. So we're still contained within this area that we can range. We're still sideways motion, right? We're boxed in. I've talked about this. We're just consolidating, man. We're happily consolidating at this level. And I did this the other day, right? I said, look, most of the moves have been contained within this area, right? That area. So I'm cool. You know, it's just going down a little bit. That's fine. We could try to pump up again tomorrow. Who knows, dude? Crypto's crazy. Tomorrow's going to be the 24th. We might get a pre-Christmas pump and then have a Christmas Day sell-off, right? Because, you know, for some reason, China likes to sell off during the holidays. Like, Americans are not looking. Let's just, like, you know, dump bags. Sometimes it just feels like it goes that way. Anyways, sitting ball at 63.63 on the RSI. Let's go to the 4-hour chart, man. On the 4-hour chart, what are we doing? We had this in bullish. We don't have anything else. High, low, right, low, high, negative, less, negative, low on the RSI. Are we coming to a lower point now? Yes, we are, dude. We are finally developing something. We didn't have it earlier on today because we pulled back up. And we actually pulled back up quite a bit, right? But let's go from here to here, right? It's a little high. Just anchor this in the 4-hour minute. I like this. We're starting to create at least some hidden bullish. And that could mean action. Or stalling at this area, potential action to the upside. So we might find support here at 20,586. Let's check it out here. Let's see if we have the same thing. Yep, of course, man, we do. Right, look at this. From here to here. From here to here, right? So hidden bullish still in play. It's good. We're gonna have it so long as we stay above whatever this closing was. So 22,652. Right. Don't use TradingView because you can find DVT. Oh, I know, dude. That's why I said South Exchange. If you like, when you were on your live stream and I requested DVT, you have to look at it on South Exchange. Otherwise, you're not gonna be able to see it here. I use TradingView, dude. This is TradingView. Like the little cloud, it's like right here, man. I do DVT here on South Exchange. That's why whenever I do DVT, it just goes on white. But I do use TradingView, man. This is TradingView. So what's happening here, right? again, getting that hidden bullish. Let's see if it's going to come into play, fruition, and see if we get action to the upside. I mean, we are decreasing that negative momentum, right? We've been doing it for a while now, since the 18th. So it'd be nice if we decrease that and we start making positive momentum. It's going to be weird. It might not be very long-lived positive momentum, right? We've been, on the MACD, we've been above the zero line, the blue line here. It's been above the zero line for a while now, so it has to come back below at some point in time, right? Get this dip. Might do it here also, get another dip, and then get that line above, and then probably get on the pump. So we'll see, dude. Anyways, what else is happening here, man? Let's go to the 1 hour chart, see what we got there. Ooh, nice. What do we have here, man? Look, earlier on, we were here, man. We're looking for that bullish divergence, which we obviously kind of negated. Now we're coming in lower. That's fine. You know, we were live. I said we could get pulled back up to this level, and that's fine. We did get that pullback up to this level. Now on this chart, like I said, it was missing a lot of information. I'm not sure if Gemini was having a lot of problems. Coinbase seems fine. So low, lower, negative, more negative, low on their side to lower point. So nothing here, man, right? So we just deleted whatever hope we had. Something. So I'm gonna go to this chart real quick. Boomer, evening, gents and ladies, if any. Cool, man. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you, Boomer, for saying hi. Right on. So let's check this out. I think in the half hour we're gonna have something. So 47, 48. All right. So low. See, on the half hour of Bitcoin, and I rarely want to go into this time scales, really, because for swing trading, you could do the half hour. I usually don't want to do the half hour because I'm looking for what's going to happen for the next day, basically. And the half hour should be happening in the next couple hours. So we have some strong bullish starting to develop here. Let's see if this manages to kick off and like pump us to the upside. But that's as far as I'm going to go right now. We don't have anything against the RSI. It's sitting over, like not oversold, just sold at 36.35. Again, the 1 hour RSI is also sold at 37.13. The 4 hour RSI is very neutral at 46. And then on the daily, we're still bought. So we got to cool off a little bit, and that's fine. That was some flash sale. Some stuff was still relatively cheap. Yeah, dude, I know. I came live, by the way. I came live earlier than usual for a quick stream to talk about the flash sale that we were getting. All right, and yeah. It was fun, dude. Let's go check out Ethereum. Ethereum Bitstamp. What are we getting? Bearish divergence. Actually, do downside on the daily. We moved down. Oh no, we managed to close below 602, right? This area here, 602. So where are we gonna go? Very likely gonna retest 547.74. Am I happy with that? Nope. The only way this doesn't happen is if Bitcoin manages to get a magical pump happening, and then this just starts to go up with it. Not sure, like if. You know what's happening with XRP kind of choked the market and everyone's like scared for what could happen. I doubt that's the case. But anyways, low, high, negative, less negative, low on the other side to a lower point again, hidden bullish here, right? Just like Bitcoin had. So some hidden bullish divergence. Is that fine? Oh, this is on the daily, by the way. I don't think Bitcoin had any on the daily, but you know, we have it here. So we might be stalling or trying to stall around this area and then move up. The thing with hidden bullish, and it can still come lower, and guess what? We're lower than 594, right? So we can still come to this level, still have hidden bullish, and then pump from there, right? So just remember that. Am I worried for crypto right now? No, I'm not. Really, we're still super bullish. Neutral at 49.39 on the RSI. Let's go to the 4 hour. Look at the 4 hour. I was looking for this strong bullish divergence. We still have it here with that just anchors onto there, and that I'm thinking that we're gonna lose it here. 33.69, 33.24, slightly lower. So we just have this bullish divergence against the MACD, and that's it. There's nothing else happening. Again, I was live at 5 p.m., so there's not a lot happening in the last couple candles. So let's go here to the 1 hour chart. Look at this, right? We're making slightly more. So whatever kind of bullish divergence that we had to here, we no longer have. So we're coming in slightly lower. So we're going to get rid of this. Going to get rid of this. And just here on this last bit, we are creating some bullish divergence, right? These last 3 hours or so. How do we know? Well, you'll see in a second. So low, lower, low, and then negative. Here's easier on the other side. We're going from low to high, and here is where I have to check. So 311, 306. Right. So low, so negative, less negative, slightly, right? So strong bullish divergence, potential action to the upside. We'll see if we're going to get it here. Again, we're stalling, probably because on the 4 hour, sorry, no, on the 4 hour. Yeah, on the 4 hour we have strong bullish, and then on the daily we also have hidden. So there are some bullishness on the technicals, right? Let's go check out XRP, man. XRP, the biggest sell of the year, man. Come on, you can buy it for cheap. It dropped so much yesterday, man. It closed with an insane drop of 41.66%, man. Hit levels that it hadn't seen since July 2020, man. That's sad, right? It's sad to see it drop so much. I was worried that this pump was gonna start to do a reversal. We don't have anything here on the daily, right? Low, lower negative, more negative, low on the other side, lower point, oversold at 29.34, but this could still drop, dude. There's news. There's, talks about potentially delisting XRP in a couple of exchanges, and there's actually news for this, man. This comes from Forbes. It says the beginning of the end for Ripple, right? And it says, a number of crypto exchanges removed XRP from their platforms. Traders and analysts are questioning the future of XRP, with one longtime critic calling it the beginning of the end. Then he goes on to say over here that, here it is. Meanwhile, a spokesperson for Coinbase, one of the world's largest exchanges that boasts only 40 million users, whatever, blah, 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 is gearing out for an IPO, said that it currently is considering its options when asked how it would respond to the SEC lawsuit against Ripple. And then here's a guy named Coppola, supposed to be an expert, saying any exchange that allows trading in XRP is potentially breaking the law, so exchanges are bound to be listed. A very well put together case, although couching that the wheels of the law grind very slowly, so XRP isn't going to disappear yet. And that is true, right? We're not going to see it disappear right now. It's probably going to take some time. We'll see how that goes. I don't think it's fully going to disappear, particularly if they gain their case against the SEC. They're definitely going to be a potential for a rally, because they're going to prove that they're not a security, and that's going to bring acceptance again. But there's probably going to be a lot of damage done by them. Anyways, this potential court case is deadly serious for XRP, possibly even lethal, right? He's a guy who's bought XRP at various times in the past, and then the SEC doesn't muck much. If he wants to make an example of Ripple as a warning shot to similar crypto companies, I'll go all out to win this case, and XRP may have to be delisted from most crypto exchanges. And that is true. At least exchanges that are in the US, I guess, because worldwide exchanges are probably not going to care about it. Like an exchange in Australia is probably not going to care what the SEC in America says, right? They're going to care about what Australia thinks about it and whether or not Australia thinks it's security or not. However, if it gets deemed as security by the US, it'll probably get deemed as security by a lot of other companies. Anyways, Ripple saying that it's wrong, and we'll see how this behaves, man, right? There's a lot of people talking about the punch, right? That the XRP punch that a lot of people seem to be drinking sometimes. For me, it's real, dude. How can so many people be so... There's so many people out there on Twitter saying, buy more XRP. Huddle through this, dude. Huddle through it, man. They're not telling people what price they got in, right? They're telling people to hold when they don't know how much of a hit people are taking. Right? They're assuming they're probably people gunning with the same bags that they did. So if someone gunning at XRP at 3 cents, they don't care if XRP's at 30 cents. They're still making a lot of dough on it. But they don't know about the guy who bought it in at 54. They're just saying hodl, right? They don't know about the guy who bought it in at 75. They're just saying hodl all over the place. You think Binance.com will remove it? I'm not sure, dude, because Binance.com doesn't work with America. Binance US handles that part, but Binance.com could still probably have it, right? That's where it's gonna get tricky, man. Right? So they could try to hold it, because Americans cannot trade in Binance US, or supposedly cannot trade in Binance US. So they could try to hold it there, and gather or grab whatever market's left, and be ready for whenever it takes off, and be like the "we were always here" exchange, right? Even through the Roth. Crypto Boomer, I'm so hammered! Congrats! Congrats on being super hammered. I'm not drinking tonight. So, tomorrow though. Christmas Eve. It's gonna be good. I can't even comprehend what I did to XRP today. What did you do to XRP, Boomer? You bought some and it pumped, or did you sell more and it just dropped more? Anyways, tomorrow's stream is probably going to be earlier than usual. I have my Christmas dinner with my family tomorrow. We do it at Christmas Eve dinner, and then on Christmas Day we just chill. Because I don't want to be cooking on Christmas Day. It's a day off. I want to be with the kids. I want to play with them. So tomorrow I'm going to have my Christmas dinner equivalent. So what I'm going to do is basically just come in earlier. There's probably not going to be a lot of warning notice as to when I'm going to come in. It'll probably be in the afternoon. Whenever I get the turkey out of the oven and set it to rest. And that's going to be it, man. Steve, I don't think I'm going to be here tomorrow. And then Boomer's saying, I short sold 30K of that from like 57 all the way down. That's awesome, bro. That's pretty good. That's pretty legit. You can be my Alex tonight, man. Come on, share some of that happy shorting. I'm just kidding, bro. Anyways, Apostolic Mind. Hey, bro, I appreciate your technical analysis skills. Where do you learn them? Please share. And then Boomer saying, oops. And then you're more brave than me. Sorry, dude. Apostolic, sorry. I know you typed something earlier. Let me see something. Apostolic, do you think Binance will remove it? All right, no, I already addressed that. Thanks for being here, Apostolic. Crypto Boomer, gotta watch that language. Sorry. It's all good, bro. Where did I learn it? Dude, I was a trader for Glencore, a commodities trading company, physical commodities trading, junior trader there. And I was a trader for Market Investments, also a commodities trading company. So I got to know a little bit of the market there. Then I worked for a financial institution as director, no, not as director, as advisor to the director of markets and securities. So also worked there a little bit with some of this stuff. And then, reading also, and they, there's lots of places to learn. So, yeah. Crypto Boomer, is that $8 link? Maybe, dude. I'm not sure if you were paying attention or not, or maybe you were hammered, dude. What's happening with XRP, dude? Again, trying to pump today. It was getting a very nice pump, right? So at some point in time, it was pumping like 10%. Like here, look. From low to high, 20% pump, dude. That would have been amazing if you could have gotten it, right? And then what happened, dude? 20% gains would have been very nice. And then it just got a lot of rejection and started to move down. So, XRP is super weak. Not very strong. It could be a bear trap, or a bull trap in this case, right? So watch out for it, right? Low, lower, negative, more negative. Low on their side to lower, low. Oversold at 13.23. Not happy with XRP, bro. And usually when you see this kind of dumps, right, these crashes, you get pumps, and we're not seeing the pump, dude, right? Steve S is not brave, it's called crazy. Loco, man. Yeah, dude, you're crazy, dude. What do we do, dude? We were looking for bullish divergence. This was 4 p.m. We were live here around the 4:30 to 5 area, because I remember Andrew saying he was going to stream at 5:30. So we were live here. We were looking for that bullish divergence. I wasn't sure how strong this was going to pump. And, we did get massive pullback because we did hit a low of 20.98. So we did start to pull back up. And, it's one of those things that you see it crashing the whole time. So you really don't believe that when it's going to pull back up, it's just going to drop, or it's actually going to keep on pulling back up, right? Every level, I was like, it's got to drop here. And then it dropped a little bit, and, it just pumped through. And then, hit here and then dropped a little bit, and dropped a little bit. And then here, it dropped a little bit. So I wasn't really sure whether or not we're going to get some bullishness. This is definitely showing strength because we're bullishly pushing back up. But the overall trend is down sloping right now. And the news are bearish enough, right? The fundamentals. So for me, it was a no-go. Could have triggered, maybe, dude. But, look at this. My cross of the MACD and the signal line, which is usually where you want to go in, is way over here. It happened with this candle. So we would have taken it in here. Upon confirmation of that we're crossing, right now we'll be going down. So not super good right now. Below that 20, let's see where that 200 is, because I'm almost positive that we're gonna be below that 200 moving average. Yeah, we're below the 200, so it's a no-go for me right now. So what else are we doing, man? Right. So are we creating something bullish? No. High, low, positive, less positive, I think. Let me just confirm. 352, 260, right? So high to low, positive. Sorry, high on the other side to a little lower on the other side, right? It's positive, it's positive. Sold at 35.71. Again, a pump from XRP from here. Very likely go at least first to this resistance, then to this resistance here at the 27.911 first, then the 29.894, and then if we get above there, we have the 20, and then above there 32.761. So we know there's a lot of support here for XRP. What am I expecting to happen, or what do I want to see? Dude, to be honest, I kind of want to see XRP drop more. I want to get in that like 15 cent area over here, man, like 13 cent area. I would probably be good in. It'll drop a lot, and the upside it will be huge. So we'll see, dude. I don't think they're gonna let it drop below 20 quickly. But I do believe, you know, and I was joking the other day when we were getting this drop here, right? Or here, somewhere around here. And I said, look, XRP is gonna go to its comfort zone of 25 cents, you know. And you know, well, we did hit 25 cents today. Actually, lower than 25 cents. Boomer, wondering if I'll get another chance to load up on the link at 8. You missed that? You were driving? You can set up buys at that level, right? You can say you want to buy when it's at 8. You can put market orders. That way you don't have to be physically glued to the computer. That's it for XRP, bros. So let's go check out and dudettes if there's any gals on the stream. So I'm not sure, but thank you for being here again. If you like what we do, not do that. That's the YouTube going out. Yay, that's our YouTube, by the way. We're here. So if you're watching it on another platform, join us. Right on. So what's going on here, dude? How many people are watching? 6 people, 5 people. Awesome, dude. There's people watching. Thank you all for being here. 0.21 something, I think. Yeah, dude, it's probably going to get held up there. Hey, Bob, how's it going, bro? Thank you for being here, man. Thank you for joining me again tonight, man. Anyways, if you like what we do, for sure, now hit that like button, that sub. Because why not? It's for Christmas. Tomorrow's Christmas Eve. What are we doing with Litecoin on the daily? Again, since the day, we haven't done much. We're just taking that bounce at the 618, right? Doing a little bit of positive, 0.66. You know, XRP is still gaining 5% or 4%. Not super bad, right? But also not the best, considering how much it dropped. I'll go when I get a chance. Sure, man, no worries. Writing it down, bro. Right, so hitting that support, that's fine. Trying to pump back up. Let's see in the shorter time scales. We're neutral at 56.99. The 4 hour hasn't done much. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the other side to a higher point. That's all good. Neutral at 43.64. So again, not doing much since we looked at this earlier. Today in the 1 hour, we were looking for some bullish divergence. As you can tell, we still managed to keep on dropping. And we're still creating a strong bullish divergence, so it has to trigger. We don't have it against the RSI anymore. We kind of lost it, but against the MACD we still have it. And again, we're finding support at that 618. So it could be that we finally trigger this and try to go up. First target would be the 20 at 105. If we get above there, you know, could probably find some resistance here at around 112. And then maybe some here at 116 before we actually get up here again to $119. Episode like mine, I got in XRP up 3.3 an hour ago. Right. Haven't seen XRP up. That's the XRP longs, basically, right? We'll check it out later, though. I write it down, though, right? So I don't forget. Right, so like I said, neutral at 44, right? That's it, dude. That's it for Litecoin. Let's go check out Binance. Binance at $30.93. What's it doing, man? What's it doing? Not a lot. Again, pushing back down still today. Bouncing out to 20, which is fine. Neutral at 51.48. We had the bearish divergence coming into play. That's it. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. The 4 hour chart, bullish divergence, right? Action to the upside. We took that pop. Now we're dropping lower. And guess what? We're now finally have this. What is this? What is this that we're making here? What is this craziness? Please tell me, Mr. Well, we are making strong bullish divergence for action to the upside. We don't have it against the RSI neutral at 40.85. That's it, dude, right? We're expecting action to the upside, or at least stalling here to happen. We still have more room to drop slightly more if we want to, and then we'll still have less negative momentum than the prior one we're anchoring to, so we'll be good. Let's see if this manages to hold on, and then we can try to get a pump again. It would be nice for Christmas Eve day to get a crypto pump coming in. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. In 1 hour, we're looking for this bullish divergence like we were with the other projects, and as you can tell, we dropped slightly more. That's fine, and then let's check this one out. Because now I gotta like really look here. 184.6, 166. All right, so slightly less still. So high, lower high. So negative, less negative. Sorry. And then on the RSI, we're still coming in lower, so we don't have anything there. Have that strong bullish divergence, as you can see, we're starting to stall here, and try to go up again. The movement would be to the 20. That 20 being at $32.09. Q&A okay move. It's gonna be for Binance. Thing sold at 36.94, dude. I hope we don't have a. I hope like Europe wakes up in the morning and says like, oh, crypto's going down. Let's just all sell, man. Why not? It's Christmas Eve for us already. Let's take profits. Ha 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 ha. Then you know we get screwed. So let's go check out Algorand. That's the first request we got. Algo, what's it doing, dude? It's dropping below that 29-cent support that we had on bearish divergence, right? That we kind of had. We no longer have it because I think we dropped lower. It's one of those like self-fulfilling prophecies, right? Because we had it, we no longer have it. As you can tell, last time we looked at this, we anchored up here. We're calling for the movement down. That's fine. We no longer have it. I believe. Let's see. Where do we close here? 35.80, 35.63. It's like 20 cents off. Like, yeah, like less than a quarter of a cent, right? So if I just go here sideways, you can see that we're slightly higher. It's so little that I'm not sure if we want to ignore it or not. We shouldn't though, but you know, if you want to acknowledge it as a sideways motion on the price, you can say that we're making bearish divergence for action to the downside, right? Medium bearish divergence. I'm not going to call that. I'm going to get rid of this. We did, in all fairness, came lower on the price, so I'm going to get rid of this. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. That's what we got there. Anyways, we opened right at resistance at 29.05, and we're trying to move down from there. Do we have something bullish? Yeah. Low, lower. All right, we're gonna work with this. We're gonna work with this little bundle of joy here that is called strong bullish divergence. We don't have it against the RSI neutral at 41.51. So let's go to the 4 hour, man. Evil Europe, always taking profits. Yeah. We should teach them. We should take profits today. Haha, so when they wake up tomorrow, there will be no profits left to take. I'm just kidding, dude. Let's do that here on the 4 hour. Low, lower. Why did I draw that? We don't have anything, man. We're still going from low to lower, and then negative, negative more negative, and then low on the other side to lower point. Sold at 31.20. That's it, dude. Nothing bullish here. Let's go to the 1 hour, man. The 1 hour chart. What do we have? Lower, more negative. Lower on the other side. Right, this last bit here, right, from here to here. Some strong bullish divergence. It's the last hope for humanity of the Algorand. From here to here, right, and then from here to here, right. So we have some strong bullish. Let's see if we can hold on to it. Try to pump up again. We're gonna find resistance at 29.05 and see where we go from there. At least this is what I'm expecting to see with Algo, dude. It still drop, you know, and negate this, or still drop a little bit more, and really we can finally anchor to a new strong red bar, not a light red one. But you know, it's still yet to be determined. Right now we have this. We could try to pump from here. We could try to drop a little bit more and then create that real anchor point that we're looking for. Steve, have we redone ADA yet? No, dude. I'm gonna redo ADA right now because you know, Algo got requested first. And then we had XRP up, but you know, I wrote ADA prior to that, and just to let you know, guys, I did write that right there, right? ADA. So I did cue it for you, Steve. No worries, man. I got you covered, man. I got you covered, bro. Oh, Link. Someone talked about Link, dude. I think Boomer was talking about Link. I'm gonna queue up Link, dude. If you guys don't queue it up, like, can you do X and just talk about the coin? I'm not sure if you guys want to look at it or just like telling me that, you know. So I'll do Link for Boomer. I think he wanted me to look at it, I guess. So what's going on with 88 on the daily, dude? We dropped slightly more. All right, where are we at here? 3899. 3-4, that's good. It still works. It's very slight though, but we still have this strong bullish divergence against the MACD. Let's see if we can materialize it for action to the upside. Again, we hit and we close below the old 786 at 1393. So current target on the move down would be the 618 over here at 11.29. Still low, dropping on that RSI, and neutral at 42.07. So let's go to the 4-hour chart. Link is dead. Not actually, though. Yeah. Not sure, dude. Let's see. 188.202, right? So now we were looking for some bullish divergence, which we obviously didn't get. We dropped more. That's fine. We no longer have it, so that's it, dude, right? I just keep on looking. And oversold at 28.08. So nothing here, dude. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. We might have something here. Oh, no. We kind of killed it also. Look, we were looking for this bullish divergence. We just kept on dropping. Making more negative, right? And also lower on the RSI. So we just kind of like undid whatever hope we had of a good pump happening. Right now we're just kind of pumping again, rejecting really weak on that pump, rejecting that 92 cent area. Starting to move down on that. So again, target. We would seem to have a target here, immediate, this yellow line at 12.67. Let's see if we can get there safely. I gotta zoom out a lot, see where that is from. It's from other fibs that we had prior. So it'll be an old 1618 that we would be trying to target, which I'm not sure how strong it's gonna hold, but already held once, so let's see if we can hold on to it again. Sold at 34.18, low, lower, native or native, low on the RSI. What is this? 24.66, 24.19, so slightly lower, dude. I don't have anything on Cardano, dude. It's just taking a massive dump. Oh, that triangle that we had and we called the other day. Did we hit it? Of course we did, man. And we hit it here, and we're still dropping more. Not super good day for crypto, right? A lot of crypto got into a lot of trouble yesterday. And I'm just basically blaming it on XRP. They're ushering the bearish market on their stupidness, right? That's how it feels, at least. All right, so we got XRP up, and then we'll do Link. So XRP up, so it's still dropping. What? Aren't they supposed to be like the longs? 3.56. So we're basically calling for the price to go up, right? That's what it kind of looks like, the XRP chart. Because it's the longs. If we were looking at XRP down, it'll be the opposite, right? Right, this will be the equivalent of shorts. And look at how this played out. It's going to be like an opposite, right? Look at that. Boom. Massive. Right, you should be playing the other chart apps like mine. Because you want to go the other way, dude. Unless you believe it's going to pump, right? If you believe it's going to pump, then yeah, you want to play the longs, but right now, I think XRP could crash more, dude. I'm just not feeling super confident with it. And it wouldn't be weird if it actually drops below 20 cents. But that's it, dude. So I'm not going to really look a lot at the up. I'm just going to check it out real quick. It's probably going to have something similar to XRP, right? Low, lower, negative, less negative, low there, set to a higher point. So we're getting some strong bullish divergence here for action to the upside. See how that's going to play out. It did pop a little bit and now dropping. And again, looking at things that are very similar to XRP. The 4-hour chart, low, lower, negative, more negative, low in there, so it's lower point, oversold at 17.04, so nothing there, and then the daily is definitely not going to have anything. The drop today on the daily on this chart was of 70%. That is an insane freaking drop, man. We're starting to create some strong bullish divergence, if that makes you feel a little bit better, which honestly to me it wouldn't. Particularly if you got in here somewhere at this level, right, or higher. So nothing against the RSI. Sold at 33.66. That's it on the daily, though. I mean, the 1 hour, again, you have some kind of bullish divergence. I'm not sure how strong it's going to play. You have immediate resistance in the 20 moving average. Not looking super strong. XRP is not looking super strong right now. Right? I wouldn't be weirded out if XRP started to turn negative. Alright, look, 4.02%. When we started, we were doing 5. And we're still dropping, right? So, again, trying to hold on support here at 26.692. Let's see if, we're back to the XRP's old shenanigans, right? What old shenanigans am I talking about? We'll show you, man. Prior to the magical pump that we had, we were struggling with this area for a bit, right? The 26, 20, 27 area. And also further back, we're also struggling with this area for a bit, right? So we come back to an area that we know is well supported, but I'm not sure how long we're going to stay there, dude. But we can still be in for a massive sell-off on XRP. Right, so on that note, let's do Link. Hey, listen! That's what, like, Navi used to say, right? To Link on Ocarina of Time. Like, every time you wanted to check something with Nav, or Navi, or whatever her name was, it's like, hey, listen! I played that game so much when I was a kid, dude. Link to the dollar! Link to the dollar! Oh no, what we doing, Link? What we doing, Link? This is not the chart Link that we're looking for. This is the chart Link that we're looking for. Again, we pulled back up slightly more, and that was fine. We did get above a yellow line here. Or did we get above? Yeah, we got above the 50%. That's fine. We managed to stay below 1160, which is okay. We're dropping that area, man. We don't look like we're super strong there, right? Do we have divergence still? I'm just gonna read the digits, right? So 280, 37, 240, right? So slightly there. So it's coming from a high to a slightly lower high. Still coming slightly lower. So we still have strong bullish divergence with Link. $10.37, man. Sold at 34.73. We don't have a lot going on right now, and any small drop here would make more negative momentum, and we'll get rid of any kind of bullish divergence on the daily. So just watch out for it again. See if we can get above that 50% here at 10.74. Link again at $10.34. Here I have other fibs. You're gonna wonder why this guy has so many fibs, because this one are from the high to the low on the shorter scales, and we're retracing, right? We're looking super hot right now for Link. We're looking for that bullish divergence. I'm not sure we can still have it. Let's check it. 159, 178, right? So slightly more. We just kind of lost whatever kind of bullish divergence we had. We're still oversold at 22.40. I mean, we could try to go up on the account that we're oversold. Not gonna be like the strongest pump ever. Or we could just start to move sideways and then this will slightly cool off. But not liking the way a lot of projects are looking right now, to be honest. So we're the 1 hour Link. After this, I'm gonna do DVT. After that, I'll do RSR. Because why not? We're here. Right, so we had the bearish divergence, right? We moved down on that. We hadn't created anything by the time we were looking live today. And right now, we still don't have anything, right? Low, high, negative, less negative, low, on the other side of our point. So there's really not a lot developing yet. This will be too small, but it is within a percentage range, like from here to here, right? It's like 0.5%. And I don't want to call it yet, but this could be a micro double bottom that we're trying to make. I would love to see more data, and definitely for this to happen, price would need to be getting above this level, right? And then we could target something, but again, not the best or the cleanest looking. Maybe the half hour will look a little bit better, right? In the half hour, we have some strong bullish divergence, by the way. Look at this. Look at this. It's magical. It's there, man. It's so beautiful. I cannot believe my eyes. There we are, right? Some strong bullish divergence against MACD and the RSI, dude. So there is that action to the upside that we keep getting. So yeah, that's it, dude. Like I said, not a lot happening since we were live earlier. Let's do DVT, man. I hope DVT moved up. Oh, still no. Still at 2.2 sats. But it's good, bro, right? It's gained a couple percentage points today. We'll check it out here. It's probably be worth a little bit less here because, Bitcoin dropped. But in this pair against Bitcoin, but 12.12% gains. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Dropped to 2.1. Someone just dropped it. But again, there's a lot of support here for the moves to happen, right? So low, high. Let's get the indicator side because I didn't do them in the earlier today, right? I was gonna do them at 9. It was still looking good. It was just going flat, and that's fine. Like the RSI, dude. Like, I'm not worried about this yet. Like I told you guys, I do believe this project has a lot of potential long term, and it's an early buy. I do believe at this price it's a steal. But you guys know I'm not chilling. I'm just talking about it because I have a lot of investment in it, and I'm part of their marketing DAO. But that's not why I'm doing it. I've been doing this since before I was part of the marketing DAO. So I got an airdrop for Anchor today. You didn't even know what it is, ONX, but getting some. That's cool, man. I was making creme brulee earlier. I kind of stopped looking at the charts after the stream, and I made creme brulee, bro, for Christmas Eve dinner. It's gonna be super tasty, man. I just setting the custard right now, and tomorrow I'll be flambeing it. Creme brulee, bro, on the racks. Yeah, tomorrow I'll put the sugar and brown it. I don't have a torch, so I'm gonna have to probably make it caramel and just drop it on top and wait for it to harden. I think that's how I'm gonna have to roll with the creme brulee. But it's good, bro. Am I a chef too? No, I just like cooking, bro. I like cooking a lot. Something about opening something food related. That's a project that I'm working on Saturdays. That's not gonna eat up a lot of my time during the week with prep. My wife's gonna be able to help me with the prep, and I'm gonna be able to basically just show up, cook, and that's it, dude. I love cooking, dude. I love cooking. I think that's one of my passions. So yeah. Food truck? No, not food truck, dude. I'm just gonna open up something on that market. Like I have a friend that opens on Fridays and Saturdays in a flea market, and he does very good. It's not really a flea market. It's kind of like a street market. Someone opens something on a flea market. Your wife wants a food truck. That's awesome, bro. You should do it if you get a chance. Just go for it, man. It'll be an adventure. It could turn into something very profitable. And that's my next step. If I'm able to get this going, and I can fine tune the recipe right now, which is what I'm doing. Get it to where I can assemble everything and do it good. My next step is either for a formal restaurant place or an actual food truck. Yet to be determined, but something like that. She already has this hair salon she needs to worry about. Well, give her something else to worry about. She'll bother you less, man. It's good. Keep him busy. You'll have more free time to yourself. Yeah, that's cool, bro. Once you start managing a couple businesses, if you can delegate properly, you can start doing a lot more profit because you can just focus your time and just be managing systems and maybe some personnel, and it just makes it a lot quicker. Or you can dedicate more time to something else. Don't tell her I said that. She'll forbid you to watch this show forever and ever until all eternity and crypto's doomed. So yeah, just remember that. You didn't hear it from me. Someone else commented that, right? By the way, I just read a comment. I'm just kidding, dude. What's going on here? We don't have a lot going on. High, low, right? Low, high, negative, less negative, low. There's another point. Nothing on the 1 hour. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour chart, where are we at? High, low, high, low, high, low. Nothing here. That's it, dude. Let's go to the daily. I'm not gonna call anything here. Let's go to the daily, dude. Nah, she's a unicorn. Why is she a unicorn, dude? I'm not sure if I even should be asking this, but why is she a unicorn? We have some hidden bearish still here. I'm gonna give that micro move to the downside, but don't be alarmed. It's just a 1 sat move, or 0.1 sat move, not even a sat. So half a fraction of a sat, a Satoshi we're gonna call it, because it's like a fraction of a Satoshi. So this is going down, right? So neutral at 52.99. That's it for DVT, man. Let's go check out RSR. The RSR. RSR. What's happening with RSR, man? What's up, homie? There we go. You got real lucky? That's awesome, bro. On the daily, we still have this bullish divergence, I think. Let's check. 497, 485. Yeah, no, we don't. We no longer have it. We kind of killed it. Again, dropping with the rest of crypto today, right? So dropping a little bit, 4%, not too bad. Again, sold at 39.36. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. There we go. We still have this strong bullish divergence. We no longer have it against RSI, so let's see if we can get this price action to the upside. We're still sold, oversold at 26.66, so there's that chance that this might try to go up on the divergence that it has. Let's check the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, I think we might have lost the divergence that we were looking for. 137, 133, yeah. So 137, 1.5. So yeah, we're definitely making more negative momentum, and we're still dropping much more. So nothing bullish on RSR, right? I'm a little bit worried, sitting at 15.5. I need Bitcoin to do something positive for maybe to this to go up, or for Boomer to get out of crypto, or RSR for it to go up. Something like that should be happening, I guess. We'll see. They're both fine options, by the way. If you guys like what we do, hit that like that button and sub, and recommend this to your family and your friends. Bring them over. We can have a great time. We can play games. We can do crypto. We can talk stuff. We can talk smack. Sometimes, not a lot, but sometimes. Anyways, dude, what's going on? 2 minutes till hour closes. Let's go check out Bitcoin, see how it's doing, man. Oh no, Bitcoin dropping 1.30%. What? It's recovering on this 1 hour? What is this? Madness. It's all cool. Again, not liking the fact that we're rejecting some kind of resistance here at the 236 after we drop below it. We know we also have something here that we're rejecting. Or on this other chart, I can't remember. We have so many charts with so much data, but on this chart we seem to be rejecting it to 36. That is fine, dude. Oh man, you want me to sell? I want you to buy it. I want a $1 token. I'll get out. I'm not sure if that's gonna happen, bro. Oh shit! I just dropped a bottle. At least it didn't break. But Maul saying, I'm trying to get my friends in. It's not easy. Crypto Boomer, 40,000. 40,000 what, Boomer? That's cool, Bob. You know, I just mess around when I said that. I mean, if you guys want to get people to join, that's fine. You don't have to. But, you know, I do kind of want to grow the channel with people that are actually interested in watching. So you like tell your friends to subscribe and they don't watch. Not a lot's going to happen. Rawr! 40,000 rawr! How's everyone doing? Who said that, dude? Victor Miller! Where were you, man? I missed you yesterday. I was even talking about you. I said, like, we haven't seen a Bond villain lately. But thank you for being here, man. Boomer, just a small bag. Wow. You have 40,000 RSR? It's a lot. Drunk and everything red RSR. Yes, dude. A lot of stuff is red. You can buy XRP. It's not red. It's at 5%. It pumped a little bit. Dude, I'm not sure what's going to happen with XRP, man. I'm really genuinely worried for this project, right? I'm not in anymore, but... Oh, damn, dude. Steve saying everything's awful. No, it's not that big bag. Alright. There's crypto in general. Dude, you guys, you know, there's other markets, right? Like stocks. And there's other stuff you can invest in. Like commodities. It doesn't have to be just stock, right? Not you, you're great. Yeah. It's all good, man. Thanks. There's other stuff you can invest in, right? You know, like crypto's not the only thing, and there's other things that are moving. Back to Mela saying, I was glad I was out when the news dropped on XRP. Yeah, dude. Yeah, I just got out today though, much earlier. So I'm happy with that. Crypto Boomer bought some stocks last couple days. That's good, man. You know, diversification is key. If you diversify, you're not going to be so exposed to when like crypto drops or some other stuff drops. At least you'll more or less always be gaining, but be balanced, right? So you want to look at different things. Boomer, hi, Riot, Tesla, Apple, Amazon. Wow, that's a lot. But Mo, I'm not saying I'm trying to get my friends into crypto in general. Alright, that's cool, man. Crypto Boomer, QET, QBTC, QTBD, QHIP. Nah, I'm just kidding, dude. There's so many Qs out there, man. So good, man. Let's go check out gold. What's happening with gold spot on the daily, man? Yesterday gained 0.67%. Today gaining 0.17. That's fine again. Not a lot going on. Neutral at 55.09. Silver at $25.60. 76 cents per ounce, pumping for the second day. That's great, man. Gaining 1.35% today, gaining 1.02%. Not too bad for silver. Dow Jones gaining 114 points. What? After bouncing out of 20. We said that, right? We said we might drop to 20 and then take a bounce. That's what we did. Great. Dow Live gaining 25 points still, so we might open to a green market tomorrow. Great stuff, dude. And guess what? The S&P's also gaining 2.71 points on, you know, the fact that all markets are moving positive today or yesterday, so that's fine. Yeah. London losing 32 points. London sad. What do we do? What do we do, man? Coming slightly higher, lower, and then what is this? 61.93, 61.07. Yeah, slightly lower. So we have strong bearish divergence, correction to downside. Maybe why we're starting to downside. Nikkei up 88 points, but you know we have this hidden divergence that we called out, and today we managed to move up slightly. We're rejecting the 20 still. Let's see what we do tomorrow with Nikkei. Toronto up 41 points, and still bearish divergence in play. Failing to get higher in the reverse high again, following the American markets and moving up slightly. West Texas oil at $48.14. Look at these nice gains. 2%, 2.74% yesterday, 0.53% today. Brent oil 51.44, also gaining 2.71 yesterday and 0.57 today. Ain't that great, man? This is awesome, bro. Let's see what else is pumping in the world of crypto. Let's see if something's moving, dude. This hat makes my head itch for some reason, dude. It was just going up like 3% after taking a massive drop of 20%, just like almost like Ripple, not as hard as Ripple, but a massive drop. Trying to see if there's something that's really like outstanding, like more than 3 or 4%, but I don't think there's anything like that right now in the market. Or at least not what I have on my list, so. Andrew, you still with us, dude? Or you wanna do Girth or New or some of those coins that you want? Let me know, dude, because you know you didn't say anything, but let me know, bro. Sap to the dollar. 5%. Like nothing's really doing much, dude. It's just sad. Oh, PRQ's doing something. PRQ's pumping 10%, dude. Parsec. So, that's fine. We don't have anything on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. Let's see what this is doing, dude. This is actually moving. What is this? 108. 07. No, we don't have anything there. Ooh, this is very close. 52.77. 52.51. Yes, slightly lower. So there is some hidden divergence here. Great, dude. Some hidden bullish for potential action to the upside. That's awesome, dude. Trying to do that pump today. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. PRQ has been an animal lately. What's going on? What? Someone asking about information? Steve S. Coinbase daily listing XRP. Big oof. Is going to 10 cents. Cam so north. Steve, that's where do you get that information from? Yeah, Steve, dude, if you have an article or something, please share. Because as far as I was concerned, they hadn't made any formal announcements. It was just all speculation, and there's really nothing in writing that it's actually saying that. So send it on the Discord or send it here, and I'll check it out. Jake saying, ha 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 ha, lols. Yeah. Right on. Right, so we have some hidden divergence, and I'm going to skip over some islands, mainly this ones, because they're just chopped for me. They really don't seem to be impacting that much, and this would be the previous island that we had here. And on this, I would be looking for the divergence, right, the hidden bullish. And part of the reason that we're going up, and again, the RSI would be doing the same, basically, because it also fits, right, from here. So actually, the upside is really pumping quite nice. It's been pumping a little bit since... So 14% today in the last couple hours, so that's good. Victor Miller, I moved everything into Bitcoin. It wasn't a lot, but I'm packing for BlockFi for now. Yeah, that's cool, man. Parking in BlockFi for now. Sweet. Dude, I'm actually gonna, XRP up. It's up 17%. So, yeah, dude, who was it, dude? Apostolic Mind, you're doing good with your XRP up. I do believe this has a chance to drop more, so XRP down might be taking over. It's actually, XRP down is losing 11%. No announcements, the other... Oh, alright. So you're just basically speculating. No announcement other than them saying they're considering their options about XRP when asked about it. The risk is if it's a security and they don't take action, they'll get wrecked. I didn't care about that. 17% after that 60% drop. Yeah. Well, look, guys. XRP dropping is not... I don't think... Look, yeah, they're considering their options, but I don't... Like, they have to grant a time frame, and they're probably going to wait for the lawsuit to start moving. There's time. Once the lawsuit kicks off and you start hearing things, you might start to make up your mind. And then really take action. I don't think they're just gonna take action just because. They'll be like neglecting a lot of people that are still invested in that coin, in the project, and it could be counterproductive for them. So it depends. Now my question is, what happens if it's determined that XRP is not a security? Can then the people in XR and Ripple and everyone involved and everyone that lost money sue the SEC for wrongful accusations and slander or whatever you can, because then what they're doing is making the market drop, and a lot of people probably got wrecked. So my question is, can people then sue the SEC for false claims or something, or wrongful accusations, wrongdoing, or whatever, and try to get them back? That would be really interesting. I think. I don't even know if there's a precedent for that, but that'd be weird and cool, probably. Anyways, there's really nothing on Coinbase. They just said they're waiting, and they can delist them like days before, something happens. So, could it affect them on their IPO? Yeah, but it also has to be it has to be deemed a security, right? So you could be listing it because you don't know if it's a security, because there's never been clarity on the issue. I'm not sure how these things are going to happen. I know there's some minor exchanges that are delisting XRP. We'll see how things turn out for them in the next couple days. But if he gets a favorable verdict, it'll be huge. Yeah, I do believe so. If he gets a favorable verdict, it could spark a bull run for XRP, or a small bull run for XRP, and that would be a good in for a lot of people, right? And they're probably there's gonna be a lot of speculation prior to the verdict happening, and a lot of people are probably gonna be buying XRP, and you could buy it earlier, right? And ride that speculation up, and then sell as soon as the news come out. Like, just have your finger ready, and as soon as you hear, sell. That's it, dude. That's all she wrote. Anything else you guys want to look at? I think we've gone through everything again. It was a little bit quicker today because we did it stream earlier than usual, so I was here earlier. The info has been released. It's a 70-page document that SEC has made position known if exchanges do not factor in that the SEC will F them up. Yeah, dude, I know. The SEC has made it clear. But that's where my question comes into play, because the SEC, I think, is overstepping some, right? And from what I heard, they're like really stretching the Howey test to something that is really not recognizable, right? Zeke, SEZ? No, not CEZ, SEZ. Securities and Exchange Commission. So I don't know if they're gonna really go through, or how they're gonna go through with that, right? And I know what yeah, exchanges gotta consider their options. It might get delisted. It might really drop a lot, and it could be a cheap buy if you can get it elsewhere. We'll see. Oh, Zcash? Yeah, you want me to look at Zcash? Yeah, sure, bro. I'm gonna get Zcash. I thought you were like talking about, because I was talking about the SEC, so. I thought so too, but XRP has really stretched it the other way too. We basically were hiding behind the test, but using it as security. Yeah, dude, I know. It's gonna be weird. It's gonna be interesting to see how it plays out. And I do believe it could have like really interesting consequences for a lot of people in crypto, man, and set up a lot of precedents. And we'll see how things happen, right? Yeah, we're gonna get Zcash, Bob. No worries, man. Well, it's still yet to be determined, though, right? And if they start to get delisted, yeah, we're still gonna see XRP crash a lot more. That's why I'm not super confident in going into XRP right now. I think it's gonna be an interesting week prior to the end of the year, right? Steve S, sound like you sold. There are people talking about Coinbase delisting on Friday. I'm not sure, dude. That will be Christmas Day. I'm not sure they're gonna be working on Christmas Day. Maybe they can delist on Monday or Saturday. But Friday would be a weird day to delist. Steve sold. Yeah, dude, Cam. I also sold, man. I sold today. Earlier today. Because it was just dropping, dude. I saved so much of that drop. A lot of people on this channel have sold, earlier. I had sold and then I bought back in prior to that new rally to next Friday. It's New Year's Day, dude. I'm not sure they're gonna be working on New Year's Day either. I bought prior to that rally to 65 cents again, and I didn't sell up there, but I sold on the way down again. I was just going crazy, dude. Steve saying, dude, I deal with compliance on a daily basis. Yeah, dude, but freaking, I don't think they're gonna work on New Year's Day, dude. Right? Not a lot of people have actually New Year's Day. They have to do it during a BC weekday or a regular weekday, right? Not on a holiday. It's not the same as the last one. Yeah, I know, dude. Look, they might get delisted. Who knows? And I do get that there's misbehavior by Chris Larson and Brad Garlinghouse on what the document says, and it could be really bad for them. The accusations that they're making. But right now, I'm just, taking it slow. Let's see what happens during the lawsuit. And then be ready to jump back in. If this drops really low, I might buy back whatever I have or whatever I had on XRP, but probably for peanuts. And that's all I'm going to allocate to it, right? So let's say it drops so much that whatever I had on XRP, by the time I cashed out, is just 10%, and I can get the same position, I would buy it no problem. Because then if it pumps back up, I'm going to be making a lot of dough on that. We'll see. It's not that I think XRP can win here. It's not going to open themselves up to the liability or the what if. I know. And delisting is definitely going to affect them. It just depends on where they delist, right? Bitso in Mexico is not going to delist them. They're an XRP partner for the liquidity stuff that's going on. I don't think MoneyGram is going to stop working with them just because of this yet. Or the banks are going to start working with them for this yet. They're saving a ton of money by using their platform. So they're probably going to wait to see what happens. And again, the SEC is just going to give them a wrist slap, or a slap on the wrist. They're not going to do a lot more than that because they're not... Or they can just find them, that's what I mean. But they cannot throw them in jail. That has to be settled post facto. Cam saying I want them to win for all crypto. Then Victor Miller says, if it gets low enough, I feel that I move into my hard wallet. Yeah, dude, maybe. As well as news came out, saved myself over 20k. Thoughts on this Girth project? Sure, I can look at Girth. Usually Andrew requests Girth, but I think he's not here. Yo, Cam, thank you for being here, man, by the way. I don't think I've seen you before. Or maybe you've been here before, but you just haven't chatted. By the way, if you guys like what we do, hit that like, that button, that sub. Am I super worried? I'm worried for XRP, right? I stated that earlier today, and I've been stating that. I'm worried for XRP and what it's doing and how it's handling things. Do I believe it could go higher? Yeah, it could probably go higher. Once it hits a bottom, right? But not right now. It needs to bottom out from this mess, it needs to be deemed not a security, and then we talk about XRP going higher than it was. Because if that happens, we're gonna have a lot of people rushing into XRP. They're just gonna like set FOMO to buy back in, and a lot of people are gonna like pump, you know, pump the assets so hard that it could like really just overshot where we're at. So it just depends on how much it drops. I'm really like, imagine XRP drops to like 3 cents or like a cent. You know, would you buy XRP at a cent? I'll buy a lot of XRP at a cent, dude. And I probably wouldn't even be using like 10% of my bag, right? But I'll be like setting up a nice position for whenever this happens, and it just pumps to the upside. And whatever I'm gonna invest at that value, like I wouldn't even mind losing, right? So even if they say it's not a security and it's at a cent and it just dropped, like it is a security and it's at a cent and then drops more, what I'm just putting in there, it wouldn't like matter at all, right? It'd just be so little that I'll be willing to like leave it there. But if they say it's not a security, and I already bought, like, you know, by that point, maybe like 3 or 4 times my bag, or 5 times my bag that I had right now, and it goes up to the moon, dude, I'll be super happy. I'll be super stoked either way. Anyways, yes, Steve, too much uncertainty. Ripple decided to fight this SEC publicly, and the SEC just laid out a tough case with no real back out plan like they had with EOS. Timing for this is just too fishy. Yeah, the timing is fishy, but you know what? Look at the article that I shared earlier from, now I don't even know where I left it, but it's here from Forbes, right? There you go. It's here, dude. The SEC doesn't muck about it. If it wants to make an example of Ripple as a warning shot to similar crypto companies, it will go all out to win this case, and XRP may have to be delisted from most crypto exchanges, right? So yes, there is a chance that the SEC wants to go after XRP hardcore. But you know what's also weird? That the chairman of the SEC resigned today. Right? They launched this lawsuit, and then the chairman says, "I'm out. Thank you for being here. I'm out." You know? XRP is the banker's coin. Yeah, it is the banker's coin. The coin from the banks. We did have some requests, guys. I'm gonna address them real quick. We had Zcash and then Girth. So let's do Zcash first. I haven't looked at Zcash in a long time, dude. Alright, Steve, I think you're going like really hardcore to that. Saying Ripple's nailed XRP becomes a shadow of itself. The product Ripple developed is used by the banks, and the XRP is left to die. Ripple is sued into oblivion. There's some group that takes notes and moves on. I don't think XRP can die. I think Ripple can die. The company. But Ripple XRP never dies, right? It's gonna turn into Flare. I'm joking, dude. I'm joking. What's happening with Zcash? Right, so I'm just gonna go here on the near stuff, right? We haven't looked at this in a long, long time. Last time I looked at Zcash was on July. What does XRP do? It's fast. It's super fast and it's super cheap. Don't forget that. It's really cheap. It's just 2 drops for a transaction, so you don't waste a lot of money on it. Right? That's the thing it has going, dude. It's like peanuts for XRP, man. Some like weird Spotify ad coming in. Oh, blah 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 blah. By the way, guys, do you like the music? I'm not sure if you like the music. I'm not sure how high it is, by the way, because this is a new track, and I'm not sure if it's super loud. But fuck, dude, come on, dude. I refreshed this. Come on. Get rid of there. Get rid of the odds, man. Here we go. It's on random. Yeah, it's cheap as hell. I agree, dude. Alright, Zcash. Low, lower, negative 161, 160, so negative or negative low, there says a lower point sold at 32.55. Not a lot here. We seem to, like, you know, we've gone above the old 100% that I had here on the fibs. Let's high to low. So now I'm going to go low to high and see where we're at, right? So I'm just going to shift that from here to here. I'm going to ignore the wicks. As you can tell, we're managing to hold on above that 382, but below the 50% right now. Let's go to the 4-hour chart here and see what we got. Apostolic. I just took profit on XRP up and jumped onto XRP down just in time to see the green candle start. Really? Is XRP starting to go down again? Let me finish Zcash and I'll go to XRP again. Steve, right? So it's cheap and fast. Something that isn't hard to replicate. It's Mendra. It's simple Ripple. And the amount of banks and institutional infrastructure they have. Yeah, dude, I'm not sure. Let me keep on going with this because I don't want to get too sidetracked. So low, lower, negative, or negative, low, narrow side to a higher point. Wow, there seems to be some kind of hidden, some strong bullish average developing here on the 4-hour chart. But just against the RSI, and it's just very tiny. This is like 19.44, and this is slightly higher at 21. So we're going from low to high. Right, and with that we have this strong bullish divergence fraction to the upside. I don't like the fact that it's very extended length. We'll see how this is gonna go. Right here we had some bearish divergence, by the way, so I'll just like call it here before we actually broke down. That's it. More negative momentum, right, than we had before. So let's go to the 1-hour chart. But if Steve's saying, but if Ripple is so into oblivion and finance stops development, sells its hyperledger infrastructure, and boom, who is developing XRP? Good question. XRP, probably the community can take over, man. Who knows? So you'll have a community of salt fans who don't disappear. Becomes like ETC or Bitcoin Cash and slowly fade. Yeah. Anyways, you guys can duke it out on the chat. I'm gonna keep going here because, you know. But keep, like, you know, if you guys want to argue or whatever, just keep it cordial, right? Just be. It's open discussions, by the way. We're super friendly to crypto, all cryptos. Just be friendly though. All right, 34, 27, 28, 27, so a little lower. All right, so we have some bullish that very strong. We're trying to pump, failed on hidden bearish. Here. Here. Did I anchor this in the 1 hour? I can't remember, man. I can't remember. No, I didn't. See? I was screwing up. I was screwing up, man. PayPal's gonna bring cash back. Bcash. I'm not sure what that is, bro. I'm still mad at PayPal. They still have not released my account. That said 14 hours. Or no, 1 business day. And so far, it's just almost 2 business days. Like, I've submitted all the data that they wanted. I'm not sure why they're still holding my account. Weird. They're going to cash on PayPal? Oh, cool, man. I didn't know. I haven't checked what PayPal has to offer because, you know, I only get PayPal Mexico, so I don't know what they have available for purchasing. Anyways, bearish divergence, action to downside. Nothing else happening here. Low, lower, native, or native, low, lower, right. So I'm waiting. Like, there's really not a lot happening here, man. We rejected the 50% FIV. We moved to that 382. We rejected the lower part, and we're just moving sideways. We don't have anything developed. Who was it that requested Zcash? Was it Bob or Boomer, man? I can't remember who requested Zcash. I was Bob there with Zcash. That's awesome. Yeah. I just had to scroll to the chat. I can't remember who wrote it. When PayPal opens up crypto to the rest of the world, it's 5. They care. Remember? Yeah. Really, still the rest of the world until the 21st. 21st of what? Until 2021 or the 21st of January, dude. I'm not clear with the date. Council North. I'm not saying XRP will for sure die. It's just a much bigger deal than people are. Yeah. Building for entirely different reasons. Then the dummies panicking. Yeah. Look, dude, XRP, it's I do believe it's gonna go down, man. I think it's still go down a little bit more. So right now I'm just waiting before I actually do something with it. I know there's a lot of people that are gonna get screwed, but I think it's still gonna go down. I was crushed today trading Anchor Bitcoin, taking bad advice. Wow. Dude, that's why you should only do your own research, dude. And don't trade based on what other people tell you, but also what you're seeing on the market. But Mo, 2021. All right, cool. That's why God gave us a brain, so we can, like, think through stuff. Don't use anything that I say here as financial advice. I'm just saying where I think the market's gonna move based on what I know and what I do. So if you have a different point of view, that's fine. Just execute your strategy. Y'all know this is for entertainment and educational purposes only. If you like what we do, hit that like, that button, that sub. Let's keep it rolling. Zcash, I'm not seeing anything here short term though, right? We could drop slightly more now and go lower, right? And then negative, less negative, low, and there set to a higher point, and that would be a good, strong bullish divergence. Maybe for a pump here to $60, maybe to a pump to 20. The 20 being right now at 60.94, but sitting right now at $55.32. That's it for Zcash, bro. Let's go look at Girth. Crushed how? I'm assuming he took back positions. Yeah. Before we look at Girth, just want to stop by XRP real quick, see where it's at. Oh, dude, it's still dropping red. What? Where is it at? Well, the range that we called for. What? Yes. What range? 27,911 to 26,692. Will it drop more? It's starting to stabilize at this level. Right? And that's obviously something that's worth noting. It's starting to stabilize a little bit. If it loses 26,629, 26,692, sorry, we could really be looking for a drop over to 24 and then gradually keep on dropping. This was a massive drop after a very large downtrend. So we're bound to get pulled back, and we got it now. We felt it even hit the 20, so we could still drop more. Now, what is this here? 352, 290. I was looking for some hidden divergence, which we don't have. We're still going lower. That hidden divergence could just move you down, right? Anyways, I definitely found you don't offer much advice. Just TA. Yeah. Yeah. I cannot do advice, dude. I just focus on technicals, and then you guys just do your own thing. Like, I would sometimes say the upside and the downside, and you say, why are you telling me both? Tell me where the market's going to go. I'm not, because then that's advice, and I cannot give you advice. If you take a bad position, then you can blame me, because I told you to do something, and that's not how this works. That's why I tell you the upside and the downside, right? And where it could go to one place, and where it could go the other way. And sometimes, I'll kind of, give, hidden hints. And sometimes, it's rare, but sometimes I'll tell you where I'm opening a position and where I'm planning on closing it. Whether or not I've executed it. And guys, that I took a big hit on RSR. It's like something I talked about. I got in, really high, now I'm suffering from that. But, I've told you before where I got in on Bitcoin and where I've opened positions on Bitcoin and where my exits are, so, but I usually just tell you, after, or where I'm going to take them when they're going to go up, or where I'm going to exit, but I usually just confirm, after I've taken that position, because I'm not going to do it live, so you guys can go do the same thing, because, then that's advice, and I'm going to that style. So, anyways. Boomer tells people got crushed today, and BitBuy is sending out Happy Holidays Christmas cards. Oh, isn't that nice of them? Well, they had to send them today. They cannot send them out tomorrow. Tomorrow's already the holidays, so it's Christmas Eve. Boomer saying slap, yeah. Happy Holidays. We're glad you got screwed. It just feels like April Fool's Day, dude. Something's gonna happen. The market's just gonna be like, ha, this is just gonna come out and say, I'm joking, dude. XRP's not a security. Come on, make it pump. I'm kidding, dude. Happy Holiday. Happy Huddle. Yeah, Happy Huddle. Oh, you said Happy Hodl, dude. I'd wrote Happy Holidays at first. Sorry, man. Jake saying Beatrix send me another sweater. Oh, that's nice of them, dude. Ask them to send me one. I'm not sure why you get sent stuff. I get jacked for my exchanges. I was like 600 stimulus check. Don't forget that Coinbase just also applied to the SEC for an IPO. Yeah, I know, dude. They could be harmed on the IPO, and that's something I mentioned, dude, earlier also. And I mentioned it in the earlier stream, so I know that. You think they will just publicly go against the SEC in XRP position? I want a sweater. Dude. I want a Binance sweater or a eToro something here. I'm not sure, somewhere. Maybe once I have like millions of followers, they'll like send me freebies, even though I don't use their platforms, just so like, you know, I advertise them or something. Right, so we had a request for Girth, so we'll check that one out. GRT at 36, dude. Again, there's not a lot of information on this project. Taking a massive drop today. No buy, right? Bouncing at that 786, that's fine. We're still moving down. 36.05, dude. Wow. So nothing on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hours. There's nothing here either, right? So coming lower, that's fine. Nothing bullish. Let's go to the 1 hour, dude. We had bullish divergence. We took that pop, rejected. 51.92. Dropped. Create more strong bullish. We haven't looked at this in a couple of hours, I guess. Maybe a day and a half or so. Because there's no data here for this. We don't have it against RSI, so we took that nice pop. Then we create some hidden divergence. Right. How do you know we're creating hidden divergence? Well, we come from high to low, right? Sorry. High to low here. What? Some Spotify ads? What the fuck? Come on, dude. Just skip over them. There we go. Right, so high to low and then low to high, right? So we have that hidden bearish against the MACD, but nothing against our side. That, no, we moved down, so we're moving down to that. Now, what are we doing post facto? Let's see. So low, lower, and then any point on this island is fair game. Why am I saying that? Because it's all one island, right? It's all one move. So we could go from low to negative, less negative. And here, just so I don't go over the data on the same anchoring, I'm just going to anchor from here, but it's the same move. And we're going from low to lower. So creating strong bullish divergence still. It's just failing to take off. Now, do we have it here? No, we're still coming in lower on the RSI. We're seeing oversold at 29.61. Now, what am I seeing here short term though? Let's see, low, lower. What is this here? 75.81. So negative, more negative, low on the RSI to lower point. There's nothing bullish short term. We're just depending on this larger trend for the bullish divergence. So I'm not super confident we're going to pump here. Again, finding support at 786 at 35.32, and as you can tell, we did find support here at 39 briefly. Then we dropped below. So again, doesn't have a lot of history. We're trying to estimate where stuff could be. Let's keep on checking what's going on here. Wow, shit. How long you think the topic's in? You're right. You have read this SE complaint. At least a brief overview. It's more than just FUD. I think Coinbase will move fast here. Cam saying it's all BS. Once Coinbase pauses XRP trading, pending the outcome, everyone will follow. Only 4.3 million link removed from exchanges today. 2 wallets. Why is Link being moved to wallets? I don't get it, Boomer. I don't get what it has to do with the other part of the conversation. So I'm like, please clarify a little bit more. Steve, I mean, the behavior outlined is public record. How's that BS? There's also politics. You need to consider Coinbase isn't going to give up $1 billion IPO just for XRP. I agree with you there. Steve, they'll get a slap on the wrist like everyone else. They came after and they will go on. If they do, I can buy back in. In the meantime, there's serious potential for it to drop another 50%. Boomer, when you ain't on exchanges, you ain't trading or selling, you're hodling. Yeah, I know. So you're saying that people are hodling Link? Basically, I didn't get why they comment because everything was related to XRP, so I wasn't sure if you're trying to like make a comment fit into the XRP thing or narrative or something else. I know what you do when you move to a wallet, dude. I just wasn't sure how that was relating to this. Sorry, guys. I just keep kicking a bottle that's down here. Yeah, no, I know, but it was like everything was XRP, and then you talked about Link being moved, so I wasn't sure if like something was happening with that or why you were bringing it up. So, I think it was just a random fact that you were talking about his secret pepper stash. No, this is not from the pep. It is gonna go for the pepper stash. She's an old Jameson's bottle that I already killed, and I'm gonna use it to like grow peppers in it. My peppers are doing really good, by the way. But yeah, it's for the pepper stash. Boomer saying, "Remember, I'm drunk. I'm in my own little world." Yeah, dude, I know. I can't be very random. What's your opinion on Anchor Bitcoin? Wow, that's cool, man. You did ask. You mentioned Anchor. I wasn't sure if you wanted me to look at it. I'll check it out, dude. I know we have Anchor open. I just don't know against what. Let me look first to see what we have for Anchor, and then I'll let you know. I just know Anchor's not one of the ones that I have. I don't have it against Bitcoin. I just have it against the dollar. It's just freaking dropping, dude. Right? So let's bring Anchor against Bitcoin. Right? Is Binance fine for you? Because I'm not sure, dude. It's just super choppy, so well, it looks too blocky. I don't like it when it looks like that. I'll try to do my best with this. On the daily, it might look better. Right, so first, I'm looking for bullish stuff, right? And I'm not finding anything on the daily. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low on their side to lower, low, sold at 34.47. So nothing here. I'm not going to go look farther back. I'm just concentrating on the short term, which, like, if you want to trade it, I guess that's what you want to do. Here we have some strong bullish developing. Right, then I do believe slightly less. 1. It's still going to read 001, 001, but this could be slightly 001, a little bit less of that 001. Anchor Bitcoin going lower still. Not broken up yet. European, yeah, we'll see, dude. Lower again, nothing here. Oversold at 27.48. So we have some strong bullish divergence, and we're oversold. There's a chance it might take a small pop. Still yet to be determined. Remember, hidden divergence. This is strong bullish, but you know. This could still drop slightly more, and this could still drop slightly more until we have weak divergence, and then we no longer have anything. But, you know, it has to trigger at some point in time, particularly if we have it in a shorter time scale like the 1 hour, so that's where I usually want to confirm. And if we do have some divergence there's a chance it could pop. If not, you know, it could just be, oh, wow, I just took a nice move to the upside, so forget what I was saying, right? I'll just anchor it there, keep that there right now, and see how it keeps on moving. Let's go here. Sitting at 35 sats, by the way. So see, in the shorter term, it doesn't have anything. It's just it's just oversold, dude, at 24. So lower, negative, more negative, low on their side to lower point. So there's really nothing here, man. There's nothing bearish. It just keeps on dropping. Let's go anchor to the dollar, man. See if we can see something different there. Anchor to the dollar, right? Look low, lower, negative, or negative, low on their side to lower point. Sold at 34.47, so not. I think it's gonna look very similar to what we just looked. Oh, look, we did anchor yesterday, or today, maybe. No, this anchor to Bitcoin still. Why am I not looking at anchor to the dollar, man? I thought I already clicked it. Sorry about that. Here we go. It hadn't changed. There we are. Right, so let's go on the daily. Right on the daily here on anchor to the dollar, we're starting to create some kind of strong bullish divergence. It's just very faint. We're coming from low to lower low. There's a big chance we might undo this, right? And negative, less negative. So low, lower, low, negative, less negative. Low on their side to a slightly lower point. So I'm not going to call it here, just against the MACD. Strong bullish potential for action to the outside. We got to confirm it in shorter time scales. Boomer saying I see going to 25 sats. Wow. What do we have here? Low, high, negative, more negative. So we had some hidden bullish. We took a pop there. We failed to go higher than the previous high, thus we're dropping again and following the rest of crypto. So low, lower, negative, more negative, low on there, side lower point, oversold at 27.87, so nothing there. Let's go to the 1 hour. Last thing we were looking for here was bearish divergence, right? And we might have developed it on the 1 hour, and because we had it, we kind of lost it, you know? So maybe the half hour had it still. We're just going to confirm that real quick here. See, when the 1 hour doesn't show it, you can find it usually in the half hour, and that's what I wanted to confirm. I'll get rid of this in the daily, right? Look at this, from there to here, from here to here. And, we don't have it here on the other side, but we had the bearish divergence, and then we moved down. And that would have been what I was looking for here on the daily, right? Which it just dropped more, by the way, but that's it. So this we kind of lost here. We know we called it on the half hour. So here, delete, that's fine. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low on there, side to lower, low. Oversold at 26.91, so not a lot there. Low, lower. What is this? 32. 32, right? We're coming sideways, we're dropping, so nothing there. Low, lower, nothing here, man. I'm not seeing nothing in Anchor right now. Not sure if I got too many zeros. It should be like 8 digits in total, bro. What we could do is try to fib something, right? To try to get a better idea when we don't have anything with just realer stuff that we look at. But again, here it's too choppy, and like I don't have a good anchoring point. So I'm gonna go on the daily and see if I can anchor here. And this, for some reason, is looking like a massive head and shoulders. Weird. Not super weird, but just weird. Like this would be one shoulder. This will obviously be the head here, right? And then this will be like the other shoulder. And this will be the neckline. So if I'm breaking off the neckline, we would be expecting to get a measure move. And obviously we cannot get a measure move because that would have us go to 0. Alright, but this could still crash. Yes, a little bit. If the head and shoulders is to be valid. XLM, if you could. Yeah, dude, we haven't done XLM. That's a good request, actually. Because we haven't done it. So I'm not sure, dude. Anchor, I'm not super positive on it right now. It could still drop a little bit more, right? Boomer says he sees it going to 20. 25. I'm not sure yet, man. I mean, he has some bullish on the daily. He could try to pop a little bit. We'll see. One head, shoulder, starting to break there, right? Yeah, and downtrend, not the best for Anchor right now, dude. Thank you, Apostolic. I hope that works for you, man. XLM, sure. Let's go check out XLM. Why not? We haven't done XLM in a while, dude. I think a couple days at least, for sure. Where's the XLM chart that we look at? This one. On the daily, we rejected that 618. Moved down, hit that 786. And it looks like we're rejecting it. That's fine. Seeing at 13 cents. Wow, weren't people going crazy about this, telling me how it's going to go like 25 cents in the moon? We just got to a high of like 23 and change. And then just pull back down. So, you know, it's fine. Again, I wasn't super excited for the project. Not dropping as hard as XRP, but almost, right? 21%. Lower. 6.4, 6.9. So negative, more negative, low on there, side lower point. Neutral at 41.14. Nothing bullish developing here again, right? Just moving down slightly. And I'm not sure we can confirm this as the local low yet. So for that to happen, I would have to fib it, and then we'd be getting a valid retrace, and I don't think we're going to be hitting it yet. You see? That 236 is over here at 1451, so we're not retracing yet. Boomer! I think I have around 32 sats and 25 areas level support, if that's how it works on BitCompare. Yeah, you can have supports as well. I'm just not looking at the BitCompare right now. I'll go back and look at it again after XLM. You don't have to. I'm just probably being rum bottle annoying right now. It's fine, dude. No worries. Everyone's saying SSD is coming for XLM next. So much influence. Well, yeah, probably because they were both made by the same person, right? Or influenced by the same person, Jet McAuliffe. So it probably has some truth. We'll see, dude. Let's go with the 4 hour. Low, lower, negative, more negative. Low on their side to lower point. Right, so short term. Low, low, negative, less negative. Right, some bullish divergence here. Right, strong bullish. We don't have it against the RSI, just because it might be starting to get that small pop happening. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Right, also on the 1 hour, right? Look low, lower. Okay, this is the one. Negative, less negative. Right, and then low on the RSI to a higher point. So it's good right now. So action to the upside, right? Get to 20, rejecting, that's fine. Some bearish type, or hidden bearish building up here, right? You can hear? That's probably why we rejected 20, by the way. Low high, right? So in that movement down. Right now, trying to bounce again. We could try to get another go at the 20 and try to break above. And if we do, we could. This bullish divergence could still come into play, right? It could be that this bearish drops us a little bit, but doesn't drop us lower than the previous low. Does a strong bullish still comes in and pumps us more? But we'll see. Everyone, yeah, too much. Yeah, better get ready to short XLM. Yeah, if it's true, it would be a good idea to short it, probably, right? Let's go and go to Bitcoin again. See if there's support at 25. I'm gonna have to go on the daily. Is there support here, man? At 25? I'm not even sure what 25 is, but 35. Do we have support? Yeah, it seems to be a little support here. How do we know? We'll reject it here, we reject it here again, and then it became support here, right? So yeah, around 34, 35, there seems to be support. I'm not doing it super accurate right now. I just want to look real quick where things could be at. You're calling for support at 25, 24. I'm looking. Let's move this slightly higher. There we go, 25. So support, yeah, there's support there. They became resistance. Way back here, so yeah, there could be a support at this level, Boomer, for reals. Good eye. I just didn't go to that much into detail. Right now, we're still holding support at 34 sats. So yeah, there is support here, man. Bitcoin pushing it back up. That's good. Bitcoin get above that 23K area, man. Bitcoin playing like a champ. Come on, man. Get above that area, man. That means Ethereum is probably also trying to move slightly up. That's fine. And XRP, you know, 5% gain still. Almost climbing a little bit more, man. 27.5. Round, dude. Apostolic, I'm not sure how your short was playing. Or your BTC or your XRP down. It's going down the last two candles. It's going up right now, so slightly though. It's struggling to move from this area, right? We're bound again between that 27,911 and that 26,629 or 692. Sorry. We'll see how things are keep on playing out, right? I think that's it, dude. I don't think we're doing like. Is there anything else? Did I miss something? Did you guys ask for something that I didn't look at? We've been live for couple. You decided to leave the XRP train alone. All right, that's fine. Good for you, man. You should take breaks from trading. 9 people watching. Thank you for being here. If you like what we do, hit that like, that bell, that sub, right? We've been live for an hour and 46 minutes. I'm not sure what you guys want to do. Got out and just had to take a breath. Yeah, dude, you had like it's good to step out and like clear your mind and then look at what things are doing. Go out and take a drink. Do a Boomer example and like drink rum or something. Tomorrow stream earlier, remember. Soka, hey dude, you dumped your XRP today? Yeah, dude. I think a lot of people dumped their XRP today. Still waiting for this to drop a little bit more. By the way, guys, remember, tomorrow's stream is going to be at a different time schedule. I don't have it. I don't know what time I'm going to be here. I'm going to be doing Christmas Eve's dinner. Like I said, we usually do Christmas Eve dinner. That way we just take a rest on Christmas Day. We don't do a real Christmas Day dinner. We just do it the day prior, the night prior. So, I'm going to be cooking the turkey tomorrow and some other stuff. That's why I wanted to do the creme brulee today. That way I got that out of the way. We also did the shortbread today. And I think tomorrow is just going to be the mashed potatoes, the turkey, and maybe bread rolls. I'm not sure. We'll see. But tomorrow, whenever I have time throughout the day and prior to 9 p.m., very likely I will do the stream. Maybe if the kids are asleep by 9 p.m., I might come at 9 p.m. I'm not sure, but we'll see, dude. Is the State of Crypto on Facebook? Yeah, the State of Crypto is on Facebook, but it doesn't post a lot there. The State of Crypto does not post on Facebook. The State of Crypto posts on Twitter and on Discord. Bob Mo, any tokers? I'm not sure if there's any tokers. I'm on Facebook. You can find me there. I just don't post a lot there. I used to post videos afterwards, you know, to go watch them on YouTube. But I wasn't getting any traction on YouTube. And like, I'm not really good with social media management. I try to, but it just takes a lot of my real time. And I do a lot of stuff in a day, so you know, I just come here and I do this because it's easy. I don't have to edit the video. I just come in, sit down, do a live stream, talk about this stuff real quick, and then that's it, dude. I don't have to like edit or post anything afterwards. So sometimes I don't have a lot of time to do social media stuff. Boomer, all of a sudden, tiered. You're tiered. Well, I'm not sure how you're tiered. Jake saying grass, smoke, flame. No, brush. Shrub? Smoke, flame? I'm not sure, dude. Apostolic Mind, dude, you should be making money on YouTube with your content. You can pay someone to do that for you. Yeah, dude, I'm not making money on YouTube yet. Not until 1,000 subs. And then you just get a fraction per, you know, 1,000 people watching. So I'm still far away from like be able to like monetize the channel. Yeah, like right now I basically just depend on generosity. Yeah, that's how it rolls, dude. Tips. I cannot do merch yet on YouTube officially until I have, you know, 1,000 views or something like that as well. So you know, I'm like, or 10,000 views, or 10,000 viewers. You know, for a listing it's like 1,000 subs and like 4,000 view time hours. So until that happens, you know, I'm still like struggling to, like, you know, this I just basically do it for free right now. Boomer saying he's sleepy. I don't know. All right, cool. I felt like I made money on my YouTube channel, and would make much more with these lives. Yeah, I'm not sure, dude. You'll get there soon. I know, dude. I know. Static videos sometimes get a lot better reception than live streams, because live streams, you're depending on people catching you live. It really depends on the mood you're in. And when you're doing a video, you can always edit and post it, and you know, you can always assure you're gonna have great content. When you're live, like, you could be tired, you could be sleepy, you could be fed up that day, you could have a bad day, and all it shows and reflects in the stream. There's streams that I'm sitting here and I'm yawning the whole time because I'm like really, really beaten by the time it comes to the stream. But you know, we'll see. Anyways, Boomer, I'm real messed right now. I should probably close my trading station before I do something silly. And short, excellent. Yeah, dude. Do something silly, Boomer. Turn into Alex. That would be really silly on your part. Dude. Yeah, it's fun, dude. Turn into Alex and send massive tips. Not to me. You can send them to me, but you can also send them to other people. That'll be great. I don't know, dude. I'm tired right now. I came live earlier. I came live right now. I've been live for an hour and 51 minutes right now. I was live earlier for about 45 minutes. So we're almost 3 hours into streaming today. Whatever, dude. Someone asked me why one day, I know, Boomer, one day, man. Someone asked me today why I came earlier. I think it was Andrew. I came earlier today because the market was going down a little bit, and I wanted to be here for those who were scared and let them know that, you know, it was just a flash crash and that we're going to bounce. And we did bounce. Right now we're still moving down, but, you know, we're still good on Bitcoin. So 24 the hour close, that's it, dude. After the hour closes, I'm out. 23K, dude. Come on, Bitcoin, you can do it. Keep on pumping. Keep them money bags flowing, dude. One day when I become a whale. Yeah, dude. You'll become a whale, I'm sure of that. We'll all be whales someday. I'm gonna become a whale when DBT goes to $1. Oh, look at 2.2 cents again. Yay. I'm really considering to buying more of this, dude. Someone just messed up the positions. So this was clear earlier today. Like, they're all below a million earlier today. Like, I was thinking about buying some. And I said, look, if I put $500 into this, you'll like get it to like 35 cents. Right now, if I put $500 into it, it will not get it near 35 cents. So, weird. So I'm trying to put like a small wall here, 500, selling it 2.5 sats. We'll see. Oh my god, XRP is still going up. It's at 6%. Right, it's not doing jack then. Like, I'm gonna be super pissed if I go to sleep and I wake up and XRP is at like $1, man. I know it's not gonna happen right now, but that'll be like, that'll be like a moment that'll probably, like, you know, flip the desk or something. Three more minutes. Keep talking for 3 minutes. I'm not even sure what to say, bro. Let's go back to Bitcoin, man. That's it, dude. I'm waiting. Anything can happen. I know it's wild times we're living in. Fast times at Richmond High. This is crypto. Yeah. Oh, you said oh. I'm not sure why. I just got an alert saying that Bitcoin is at 22,800. I'm like, dude, come on. It's at 23,000. It's insane sometimes how this crazy alerts just take forever to come in. How's the weather where you are? It's weird. Like, it's not cold. It should be cooler, but it's not. Usually by this time of the year, we're like getting really cool, and it's not, dude. It's just like super chill. It's 61 Fahrenheit or 16 Celsius. I'm not sure which one you use where you're at, so I'll give you both. The lows are 7 Celsius and the highs are 22 Celsius, and then in Fahrenheit it's 71 and 44 around that area, at least for this week. And it usually should be a little bit cooler by now. We should be at least into the, you know, the low in the Celsius, like the almost zeros, so like 1 and shit, but it's not. It's weird. You're supposed to get about 5 feet of snow. That's awesome, dude. When my alerts go off, the price has already come and gone. Weird. Yeah. Boomer. Yeah, dude, I know. That's why you have them on TradingView and have the TradingView app on your phone, and then you get them immediately. It's almost immediately. Steve saying, okay, I'm off for the night. See you, man. Tomorrow I don't work, so that's fine. I just gotta wake up early to do turkey, man. What is the best alert system you have set up for your trades? I use TradingView, dude. I use TradingView for one, and then I have another one. I have different accounts on TradingView, and then you know, I have like at least 2 phones. So I just have you know, those alerts that are most important to me, because I use the free version of TradingView, right? You can do everything they need to with the free version of TradingView without paying, unless you're really taking a lot of trades, etc. And I'll tell you what, even at that, TradingView is not that great, because you know, I've done day trading lately a lot, and on the minute charts, it's off. So like sometimes it doesn't even move, and if you're on like Trade Zero or something, you see it move a lot, and you see those small flickers, and then on TradingView it just takes forever for it to move. So by the time you get alerted on stocks, if you're doing day trading, it's not going to be that good. So I'm just using the free version right now, and that's fine for me. Boomer, I'm going to Lazy Boy. If you don't know what that means, I'm saying I'm probably going to go to Doo-Doo Land. Wow. Thanks for like letting us know. What the hell? Anyways, I have a stock mind. Yeah, dude. I also have other alerts. I can't remember what. Like, I have some Bitcoin widgets on my phone that also alert me. Let's see. We closed the candle at 23. Great. Let's see if we can get to 23,200 and then move above by tomorrow. We still have the 20 above there. We don't have anything bullish right now on the 1 hour. Like I said, on the 4 hour, we have this hidden bullish that's trying to support us. And let's see. Like I said, if we can get up here again, that's it. Do it on the daily. We're fine. We're still on the range. We're still trying to gain on what we had. 1.37% loss right now on Bitcoin. XRP down again to 5.6 at 27.46. So again, Bitcoin XRP sorry struggling a lot to go higher, right? A lot of people like you know sideways motion. That's it. They're starting to move down slightly and up slightly. So we're still trapped in this range. Where it can go is at 20, right? That would be the nearest target I would have, and that would be at 27.89. Sorry, 29.89 cents. Or very close to that, 30 cents right now on the 20. I'll see where that goes from there. Guys, that's gonna be it for tonight. I overextended what I said I was gonna do. Absolutely. What do you think? Why do you look at Bitcoin dollar? Bitstamp. What is Bitstamp? Bitstamp is an exchange. Gemini is an exchange. Coinbase is an exchange. Bitstamp's an exchange. What was I looking at here? Because Gemini had gaps. Like for some reason, like they had problems or something, and the data wasn't so reliable up to here. And I usually look at this chart on Gemini, but right now I was looking at Bitstamp. That's it. Yeah, I know, Buff. I was also thinking the same thing. Which exchange should I prefer most? Top 3. Dude, look, for me it's very limited. I'm in Mexico City, so the only thing I can use for an on-ramp is Bitso. I use Bitso. I hate Binance because it's like there's so many bots trading there that by the time you want to take a position, like so many other positions queue up. But I use it nonetheless for some of the short or smaller cryptos that you cannot find everywhere else. Right now, Dexes seem to be doing good. Right, any decentralized exchange could be good to get some cryptos or you handle some cryptos. Coinbase is okay. Binance, like I said, I use it for something. I don't like it the best, but it's the only one I can use to take some positions. But my referral link to Bitso, sure, bro. I'm not even sure if I have one. Let me check my Bitso. I'm not even sure if I'm signed in right now. I was signed in earlier when I was looking at the. They even do referrals. Yeah, they have a referral. Okay, hit referral. It took me somewhere else. Oh, I don't have referrals, I think. Security. Preferences. I'll have to check, man. I'm not even sure if Bitcoin has a referral Bitso has a referral program. They do have a referral program. It's just hidden, I guess. Here we go, dude. But my Coin Pro, never a regular one. I learned the hard way. They cheated you out a ton of money. Yeah, I don't have Coinbase Pro. I just use the free version because I don't use Coinbase a lot. Basically, that's where I get the tips. If you guys tip on crypto, that's where they'll go to, the Coinbase wallet. But I heard that Coinbase Pro is supposed to be really good. I gotta check it out. Like I like, you know, I take positions and then I just sell them out. So, you know, I do use Binance for some things. I do Bitso for some things, and I use South Exchange for some things like DVT, and then, you know, I use Coinbase for other things. Like, really, dude, I don't do a lot of things there. Yeah, the referral program is a little bit weird on Bitso. I don't get anything of what, like, if you put money in, I don't get anything. It's just to get to like a percentage of the utility of the profits that you make, apparently. And I'm not even sure if the program is active, but it says it is, so who knows. We'll see, dude. Because it's not really publicly or easy to spot, right? Like, I had to like go search for it. I'm trying to see if they have like something more easily accessible, but that's it, dude. I'm not sure. Anyways, Queen Bass Pro is free. Voice text, what's that? I'm not sure what you're talking about, dude. Oh yeah, they do have a reference code, dude. I just found it. Haha. Should be active, right? Should be good. Guys, that's gonna be it for tonight. Bitcoin below 23K again. Shit. Let's see if we can get above again. You know, I'm really like, so long as Bitcoin stays within this range, it's fine, right? Again, like I said, not super worried for Bitcoin, so long as it stays within this range, right? This 23.8 to 23.2, right? Or 20. Where are we at? 22.5. Sorry. It was down here. 20,586 to 23,800, right? That range is fair game. So we could still consolidate at this level. It's all good. Thank you guys for watching again. I hope you found the content entertaining and educational. If you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit that like, that button, that sub. Again, guys, this is State of Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here tonight. I'll be here tomorrow. Not sure what time. Stay tuned to the Discord. I'll let you know there. Or I'll post it on Twitter as well. More or less whenever I get an idea as to what time I'm going to be here. But I'll be here tomorrow. I'll be here on Christmas Day. I'll be here also probably on New Year's Eve and on New Year's Day. So I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of State of Crypto. Until then. Thank you for coming, by the way. Apostolic Bub, thank you for being here, dude. We're watching you on my cell phone using voice text. That's awesome, bro. Boomer, thank you for being here, dude. Soka, thank you for being here. Jake, thank you for being here. Cam Sonora, thank you for being here as well. Steve, thank you for being here, man. Andrew, thank you for coming in earlier. I think that's everyone, dude. I hope I didn't miss anyone out. Thank you for, Victor Miller, you were here earlier. Thank you for being here. That's going to be all for tonight, guys. I'll catch you tomorrow for another edition of State of Crypto. Until then.